Welcome to Mohan classes. In this video, we are going to talk about quadratic equations. It is for 10th standard and part 1 video. Let us start. What is a quadratic equation? Already we have studied in polynomials. What is a quadratic equation? A quadratic equation should be a second degree equation, right? So here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation in one variable x, where a, b and c are real numbers. This a and b and c, a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant. Here what is the condition? A is not equal to 0. That means the x square term should be there. Then only it will be called as a quadratic equation. Here, how to find the roots of the quadratic equation? Here, the roots of the quadratic equation is nothing but the values of x square. How to find the values of x square? Here, minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a is the formula to find the roots of the quadratic equation. Here this b square minus 4ac should be greater than or equal to 0. It is the condition for finding the roots of the quadratic equation. This b square minus 4ac plays the major role in this quadratic equation. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, we will have distinct and real roots. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, we will have equal and real roots. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, means you will have what? Not real roots. Understand? What is distinct and real roots? If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, means we will have different values for the x, but the values will be real. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, we will have the equal values for x as a real roots. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, means we will not have real roots. That's it. This b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of a quadratic equation, and it will be represented as the capital letter D. Okay, let us do one exercise. Here, check whether the following is a quadratic equation or not. What is the condition? If it is a quadratic equation, there should be a term x square. That means it should be a second degree equation. So let us simplify it. X minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. X minus 2 into x plus 1, what you will get? X square minus x minus 2x minus 2 is equal to x square plus 3x minus x minus 3. So what you will get? X square will cancel. Minus x, right? Minus x minus 2x. Sorry. X square plus x, no? It is not minus x. It is plus x. Correct? X square x plus x, this is minus 2x, correct. So that means minus x and minus 2 is equal to plus 2x minus 3, right? So what will happen? This plus 2x will come this side, right? Minus x minus 2x minus 2, this will come as plus 3, right, is equal to 0. So that is minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. Here there is no any x square term, right? So it is minus 3x plus 1. It is a linear equation. Therefore, the given one is not a quadratic equation. So the given equation is not what? Quadratic equation. Clear? Let us go to the next. Here, represent the following solution in the form of quadratic equation. Now we have to represent the given condition in the form of a quadratic equation. Product of two consecutive positive integer. Let the first positive integer be x. Let first positive integer is equal to x. What about the second one? Second one will be x plus 1. Product. So that means x into x plus 1 is equal to 306. This is the condition, right? Product of the two positive integers. That means x square plus x is equal to 306. That means x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. Now it is having the second degree equation. It is having the value of x and it's a constant. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here the coefficient of x square, a is 1, here b is also 1 and constant is minus 306. So it is a quadratic equation and we have represented in the form of it is the required quadratic equation. Here find the roots of the following quadratic equation. So we have to find the roots of the following equation. Already we have studied in polynomial how to factorize a polynomial, right? Here root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Root 2x square plus 7x 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Now this 7x we are going to split in the form of 5x plus 2x. Root 2x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Now we can take x outside. Root 2x plus 5. Here we can take root 2 outside. That means root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So that means root 2x plus 5 multiply with x plus root 2 is equal to 0. So that means we have to equate now root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 and x plus root 2 is equal to 0 to find the roots of the given equation. So that means root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. That means root 2x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5 by root 2. So what about here? X plus root 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus root 2. The roots of the equations are x is equal to minus root 2 and minus 5 by root 2. So let us check the discriminant b squared minus 4ac. What is b squared minus 4ac? B square is 49. 4ac. 4ac means 4 root 2 into 5 root 2. So that will come as 49 minus 40, right? 4 5s are 20. 20 into root 2 into root 2, that is 2. That means 40. We are getting 9. 9 is greater than 0. So 9 is greater than 0 means it is having different real roots. That means distinct and different real roots. Okay. So this is the answer for this quadratic. Here let us take the first number as x. And what about the second number? The second number should be 27 minus x, right? So let us take the first number. Let the first number is equal to x. The second one will be 27 minus x, right? So the product is 182. So that means x into 27 minus x is equal to 182. So that means 27x minus x square is equal to 182. Now I am going to send these two to the right hand side. So what will happen? X square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. Now we have to split the middle term. 27x, the product should come as 182. So 13 into 14 are 182, right? Therefore, x square minus 13x minus 14x plus 182 is equal to 0. So that means x, if you are taking outside, x minus 13 minus 14 you are taking outside, x minus 13 is equal to 0. So that is x minus 13 into x minus 14 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 13 or 14, right? If the first number is 13, the second number is 14. Suppose if you are taking 14 as the first number, then what will be the second number? 13. So the answer is 13 or 14 or 14 or 13. Whatever is the thing you can take. Clear? Here, find the two consecutive positive integers, the sum of whose square is 365. Here we have to take the positive integer. Let the first positive integer is equal to x. What about the second one? The second one will be x plus 1, right? X plus 1. That means x square plus x plus 1 the whole square, whose square is 365, right? Is equal to 365. So x square plus, it is in the form of a plus b whole square. That means a square plus 2ab plus b square. So x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 365. That means 2x square plus 2x, this plus 365 will come as minus 365. Minus 365 plus 1 we will get minus 364 is equal to 0. So that means now I am going to divide everything by 2, because 2x square, 2x, it is also a even number. X square plus x minus 182 is equal to 0. Here again we are getting the product is 182. So we can split it in the form of x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 is equal to 0. So again we can get like this, right? X we can take outside, x plus 14 minus 13 we can take outside, x plus 14 is equal to 0. Therefore the value of x is equal to 13 or minus 14. Here this minus 14 is ruled out because it is a negative integer. Now we want only positive integer, right? Therefore 13. So the answer is 13 and 14. Clear? That's it for the day. If you like this video, please kindly share it to your friends and subscribe the channel. Give your likes. Thank you.